Alrighty. Cold Bastard 20 quart cooler review. Day 5. No, my bad. Day 4. This is day 4. Let's see what we look like. I done opened it 3 times. Alrighty. Still got ice. 4 days. Put ice in here on Thursday. Today is now Sunday. Sunday night, to be exact, at 11:14. I put it in Thursday afternoon. So, Thursday about 3 o'clock somewhere in there, but it's 11:14 at night. Almost day 5, but this is day 4. You can see the water that dropped to the bottom now. Still got ice. Still got ice. So this is a pretty good cooler. So we're gonna check back tomorrow and see what day 5 does. But hey, man, most coolers you only need them for a weekend. Friday, Saturday, you're going back home Sunday, but hey, that's pretty good. Put it in Thursday. It's Sunday night. Still got ice. Still got ice. So pretty good. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see if it's all gone.